Are you struggling with JPG images that lose quality when you need transparent or editable graphics? Converting them manually can be slow and frustrating. Problem: many image converters reduce image quality, add watermarks, require software installation, or even ask you to create an account before converting your files. Solution: introducing Softaken JPG to PNG Online free. A fast, secure, and browser-based tool designed to convert JPG images into high-quality PNG files in just a few clicks. Simply upload your JPG image, let the tool process it instantly, and download the converted PNG file within seconds. No software installation, no registration, and no technical skills required. Benefits of JPG to PNG: private and secure. Your files remain safe and are processed securely. 100% free. Convert JPG to PNG without any cost or registration. No installation. Works directly in your web browser. Fast conversion. Convert images in just a few seconds. High-quality output. Preserves image clarity and color quality. Works on any device. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and tablets. How to use. Step 1. Upload your JPG image. Select or drag and drop your JPG file into the converter. Step 2. Convert to PNG. The tool automatically converts your JPG image into a high-quality PNG while preserving image clarity. Step 3. Download PNG file. Preview on Canvas if available. Then save the converted or edited image. Convert your JPG images to PNG quickly and effortlessly with Softaken JPG to PNG Online free. Visit the Softaken Online Document Toolkit today and enjoy fast, secure, and completely free image conversion. Thanks for watching.